Hello everybody. For my video project, I chose to look into Facebook Live. There are many other video apps that can be used in the business industry. Some of these video services are like YouTube, Facebook Live, or Periscope, and they can be used in many ways. They can be used to promote or market any product or service that you're selling. They can be used to educate any of your customers or consumers. They can be used for advertising or for reaching your target audience from a new platform. But for this one specifically, for Facebook Live is a feature that Facebook offers that lets users live stream directly to their own social media platform. Anybody watching the video can comment, react, or share during the stream, and it uses the camera on your computer or your smartphone or your iPad to broadcast real-time video to the site. So when you first get to the site on Facebook Live, it's kind of like this home page. Some examples of how to use it. So this one is one that was previously recorded about an hour ago, and you can see that down here you have the reactions, and you can comment on the video before or during its live or after it was posted, or even on a live video like this one. You can comment as it's going, or you can react. So yeah, some of the common and unique features of this, the creator of the video can decide who they want to see their video and what audiences they really want it to reach. So a plus side to using Facebook Live is, kind of like I previously showed, is that every time a live stream is broadcasted, a recording of the video is then also published to the person or business's profile so that it can be watched again later. There is also a feature such as a live poll where you are able to see your audience's responses in real time as you're kind of going through the video and broadcasting it. Another unique feature that was just added, I couldn't find an example of it because it's still pretty new. It is called live shopping, and that allows you to add your own product listings and whatever you're selling to feature during your live stream. So you can show off specifically and link directly products that you want to sell, or link to your website or things like that. So overall, I would recommend the use of Facebook Live to broadcast your videos. There are many features other than the ones that I said that are helpful for marketing, and it is also a great way to connect really in real time with your audience. The only drawback that I see is that since your video is live, mistakes can be made. You don't really have that as much as you would with a YouTube video, because before that is viewed, it is edited. But a good way to deal with this is to kind of really be honest and open, and admit if you made a mistake. It may even help draw more people to your business if they see that you're a human and can keep it real. The key to a broadcast is to keep it fun and open, really, in a Facebook Live. So if mistakes happen, you can keep it light and keep the lines of communication open with your viewers. Some examples that I have found of Facebook Live. So the first example, so Facebook Live is used in many ways in the business world. The first one that I found was from my own little hometown. A small bakery uses Facebook Live to promote events that they might be having, which in turn draws people to attend. Watchers like this can comment any questions that they have, and the bakery can interact with them. So this one, I just pulled a clip from one of their lives. You can see that it was posted, or it was live on February 3rd, and then it was posted to their account, and you can see the reactions or the comments and really see how it's helping their business. And a second example is from a business called Tastemade. They share live videos of recipes being made, as well as promoting their cookbooks like they are here. This allows the audience to kind of go behind the scenes and the business products can be advertised as well. And then a third example of a business that uses Facebook Live is a company called Benefit Cosmetics. This company hosts broadcasts of different makeup tutorials, like using their own specific products. It allows people to really see the products being used, like firsthand, and it can entice them to be purchased if they see the product is doing well or how it's being used. So overall, Facebook Live is a great video platform for businesses to use because it encourages engagement with the viewers while also allowing product promotions and connections.